Hello guys, and hope doing well. This is super simple photoelectric smoke detector. As you can see, this is my usual op amp project with lm358. I changed the piezo with the buzzer, and finally I have one optoelectric sensor here. Usually this used for the printers to count the papers and something like that. As you can see, I'm testing the project with the solder iron. This is not a good solution to test, but you can see with this size of budget of the smoke, still my detector will make buzzing and the result is not bad. I'm not sure that I have a shape picture from the result or not. As you can see, let me make it big. Paste. Very nice. So it would be much better to put the sensor into the box to take the amount of smoke much better. You can see when my solder tip gonna be closer, the buzzing sound gonna be changed also. It is a very good solution to use for the smoke detector. It's much better to put this sensor inside the box like this, and as soon as the smoke connected to the optoelectric sensor inside the special smoke detector box, the op amp will buzzing. I will try to make the schematic in few days. Thanks for watching.